With crypto volatility picking up, prices are starting to recover. Now, it's been a pretty good weekend for crypto so far, and as a matter of fact, you can see prices green on the day today, and really alleviating a lot of the losses that took place over the last 7 days. Bitcoin, yes, is down 4% on the day, on the week, but it is up about 1.5% on the day. Ethereum erasing almost all of the losses from the week, sitting 3% higher on the day today and about 0.16% lower on the week. Now, as you can see, you can scroll down. Some are in the losses on the week, but a lot of green on the day today is a very strong sign. The indicators, 50 on the RSI. It's right in the center, right? And this was actually oversold a couple of days ago, so we're coming off that oversold territory as prices are rising. Altcoin season, however, extremely low, sitting at a level of 23, and the Fear and Greed Index, extremely low at a level of 27. This could be, nobody knows exactly, right, but this could be setting up a new bottom, ready for a very nice bounce. So with that, we're going to be talking about, well, not this ad right here, 3 meme coins to accumulate as Shiba Inu coin enters oversold territory. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be going over these 3 meme coins, but I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. I haven't been able to post on my other channel for a few months now, and I'm not going to be able to post on it for another few months. So if you want to continue watching the videos, please click the subscribe button here. I absolutely appreciate all of the support, and I do want to say thank you guys. On top of that, do not forget to diversify. We have been talking a lot lately about tiny little tokens, and this is the last chance to grab Snorter token before its ICO ends. So I'm actually going to be buying a little bit more today after I post this video here. In 23 hours and 2 minutes, the ICO is over. They actually did cross $5 million. So they've been doing about $100,000 per day over the last couple of days here. And that is an incredible sentiment and an incredible statement of their strength. So what they're doing is building a Telegram-based trading bot. This Telegram-based trading bot is it's going to be faster and cheaper than all of the competition out there. 0.85% fees is cheaper than the 1% and 2% fees that are industry average. And of course, it's going to be faster than a lot of the other trading bots as well, giving people a competitive edge if they decide to use it. Now, you do have a link for this down in the description below if you want to grab some as well. But make sure to check it out. At least use that link to pull up their website, read everything that there is to know about them, and I guess get a better understanding before you jump into anything. I already own it, and I am going to be buying some more today. So pay attention to that. These guys are doing an excellent job so far, and hopefully they launch into a market that is recovering beautifully. One that is coming off of this oversold territory and rising in value. It says, as Shiba Inu coin consolidates with technical indicators indicating an oversold condition, investors are seeking the next wave of SHIB-like meme coins with solid fundamentals, high activity, and genuine capacity for bullish sentiment shifts. While Shiba Inu coin will continue to be a long-term investment for the SHIB ecosystem, its evolution and mechanics for token burning, alongside emerging meme coins like Little Pepe and Floki and Official Trump, provide a focus for late 2025 accumulation potential. So they got Little Pepe listed here, they've got Floki listed here, and they've got Official Trump listed here. Now, I do own a little bit of Floki, I own no Little Pepe, and I do own a lot of Trump, actually. So I am excited about these, and I do agree, right? We can see all of these meme coins moving higher alongside Shiba Inu coin. But you might be saying, dude, what gives, man? You know, SHIB is testing this literal multi-year level of support at 1,000 points per coin, and everybody continues talking about how SHIB can go up. Well, it's done essentially nothing but test support as opposed to test resistance for the entirety of 2025. Well, I want to break that down a little bit because yes, I do own a lot of Shiba Inu coin, and I've been continuing to accumulate Shiba Inu coin. One of the places that I'm buying is the KCEX exchange, which is what you see on the screen right here. You can buy on up to 75x leverage. But the best part is some of the cheapest fees in the entire industry, 0% maker, 0% taker, and they do have the best selection of cryptocurrency available in the United States. So use that link down there to at least check them out if you guys are interested in trading. But so what gives here, right? Well, we've been testing support, and this is like across the board for meme coins. It's not just SHIB. If you look at Floki, if you look at Trump there, if you look at even Dogecoin, right? It all comes down to sentiment, okay? Meme coins are interesting. They are very speculative, absolutely. You know, there's no fundamental value. My best way to, I guess, attribute some value to meme coins is the size and conviction of the community. And any time that you're relying on other people to buy and hold and so on, it becomes very, very speculative because nobody knows what somebody else is going to do. But sentiment plays a huge role. Emotion plays a huge role in meme coin's success. Now, you'll notice here that at the end of 2024, when the election speculation was going on, we had extreme greed in the market. Shiba Inu coin was up at some fresh highs. If you go back here to March of 2024, Shiba Inu coin was roaring higher. Well, that coincides perfectly with March of 2024 right here and the extreme greed that was in the market. Now, you'll notice, right? Since that 2024, end of 2024, beginning of 2025 high, we have not entered a situation of extreme greed. And Shiba Inu coin has been unable to achieve these levels once again. Meme coin price action is extremely correlated to extreme greed. When you're in neutral territory, even when you're in greedy territory, right? When you're in any territory except for extreme greed, people are unwilling to buy meme coins. It's the emotion that drives their decisions. And I do believe, yes, we will come off this level of fear here. We will rise again. And when we enter extreme greed, meme coin prices will rise. And when meme coin prices rise, guys, they rise fast and they rise furious because people are emotional at that point. Extremely emotional. So I continue to accumulate in anticipation of that. Yes, I'm buying Shiba Inu coin on places like KCEX, absolutely. I hold Shiba Inu coin and other cryptocurrencies on Best Wallet. So if you guys need a decentralized wallet, you've got Best Wallet down in the description as well. And I have been accumulating Snorter token, which I'm excited about because it's only got 22 hours, less than 23 hours until the launch, or not until the launch, I can't say that, until the IC is over. So make sure to pay attention to Snorter token if you guys are interested in grabbing some of those brand new meme coins. Let me know what you think about it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.